Just got to the Monterey Jet Center for the Motorlux event. Found a really nice parking spot here among all these awesome jets. So we're gonna go ahead and go in and check out what's going on. I know they're revealing the Shelby widebody Super Snake. We helped Shelby launch that vehicle, so I'm excited for everyone else to see it in public for the very first time. Oh my God, I can't believe we got a Murano convertible. Look at this. Oh my God. It's off-road. Protected by Expel. Wait, this is an Expel demo car?
It is.
Look, one side is PPF and one side is not.
If you'd like to scratch it, you're welcome to.
Wait, which side?
Both. You gotta do both.
Hold on.
Put your initials in there.
Oh, nice. Okay. So this is the Expel side.
That's right. Do the other side.
Oh.
Like, yeah. Look at that difference.
That doesn't feel so good. It's so cool to see all these cars displayed with these jets. Right now, I'm in the auction area. We're checking out some of the auctions, but the highlight for me is the Nismo CRS that is going for sale. And my buddy Brian is gonna bid on it for top rank. They're gonna try to get that car. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead, walk around, check out some of the sites, check out some of the cars. There's this Nardone 968 that I've wanted to see for a while. So I'm gonna go look at that, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll be here in time to see the GTR go up for sale. Okay, this is a car I've been wanting to see for a while now, but first time seeing it in person.
Yeah.
It's funny, I had a chance to rev this engine.
Lucky you, because you did it before me.
At Altal Technica.
Yeah.
And it looked awesome on the engine stand,
Yeah.
but now it's actually in the car.
Yeah.
This is not that same one, is it?
Yeah, it's the same actually.
This is the same
Yeah,
engine?
Yeah, it's the same. It's just that you see the details on the engine bay, which of course makes the things better. But it's the second engine, but same thing.
So technically, I've driven this car before, or driven the engine at least.
Before me.
Yeah. So then, what are we looking at here? What did this start life as?
This starts as a lightweight S4. So I'm probably the only one who care about something different than the 911. The idea was to make a continuation. And actually, we took inspiration a lot on the 993. If you take a look at the shapes of the fenders here, it's very similar. And we wanted to do a continuation. So this is 95. The last 928 was produced in 95. 97, this one.
Because at one point, this was supposed to pretty much replace the 911, right?
Yes. I think that was a mistake because it should have been a complement instead of a replacement. But
so then what happened was the 911 took off more.
Yeah, of
and
course.
then Porsche is like, no more.
yeah, they invest so much money that they needed to produce it for a long time,
Your whole goal with this is to, I guess, pick up where Porsche left off.
Exactly. So if you look at some details, it will be interesting to have another original next to this one. This, for example, used to be part of the trunk. Now we open only the glass, and there is a roll cage inside.
Oh,
yeah.
It's built in.
Yeah.
Wow,
This is
okay.
carbon fiber now, this, everything. You see the shape of the glasses. are different. So we have our own glasses here as well.
Oh my goodness, this is. I know how much work this took.
There is no more trim, which makes the car more modern.
This is so
Also,
cool.
you don't have anymore the water drain. The windshield is mounted flush, and there is tons of detail like this.
Essentially, if this came out in 2025 from Porsche, this is potentially what it would look like.
My idea was more to do after 95, like if they launched a last version of the 928.
I think my favorite thing is you move this over from the original car. I love
now
that.
we have a central.
It's inspired.
But we kept this.
That is so cool. I love the color too. So then, is this a lot lighter than the OEM car?
It's actually paint to sample color. It's called Peridot Metallic, and under the sun, it's just amazing.
But, so then the weight of the vehicle, is it lighter than the original car?
I didn't give any target of weight reduction because then you lose on the another side. But we managed to reach 1 ton, 430 kilo, complete, with sound system, with a big battery, with everything. So it's 130 less than the NS4.
I mean, because let's be honest, this wasn't meant to be like an all-out performer.
Yeah.
This is like a
Grand
cruiser.
Tourer. Yeah.
GT
Exact.
touring car.
Yeah, now it's, I would say, maybe the best of both worlds. It's very, very powerful. It has bigger brakes, new drivetrain, everything.
The interior is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is so plush. I cannot believe how nice it looks. They just don't make cars like this anymore. It's so nice.
The guideline was to do something elegant, timeless, and minimalist. And basta.
I love the seats so much too.
These one are gonna have, as I said, they are gonna have this, the Pasha that we make with Alcantara in Milan.
Wow.
So we can choose the color you want that Porsche never did back in the days.
Of the era. I love that. I love that. The engine, how much more power does this engine make now?
Engine, at the moment we are testing a 530 horsepower version. This one is 450. But it's capable of more. High compression ratio, new inlet manifold. We use 3D printing technology.
How much wider is it? How many millimeters?
5 centimeters at the front.
5 centimeters.
On each side. And at the back, compared to a GTS, which is already a bit wider, it's only 3 centimeters more.
Got it.
Yeah.
Wow. What a beautiful. And then this goes up like the original car
Yes, at
too.
the moment I disconnect them because I had an issue, but yeah.
For sure, I need to come to Italy and check out your facility.
Yeah.
You know, because it's one thing to see the car.
Yeah.
I really like to see where it's made.
Yeah,
I like
it's,
to meet the
Podium
craftsman.
Advance.
What makes you tick is what's interesting to me, you know, because I feel like you building this, you're filling a gap in the market.
Yeah.
And there are people that will enjoy this car.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I already have a lot of potential customer and potential customers. I think what is missing now is a good review.
I promise. I'll come to Italy and I'll check out your facility.
With pleasure.
Yeah, awesome.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
So we've been trying to bid on some cars tonight, unsuccessfully, but the NSXR got away from us. But the Nismo CRS is coming up, and we're going to try to get it. We have one for sale. I don't know what the reserve is. But
there is a reserve.
There is a reserve now. They added one, and hopefully it's not crazy because there's a good chance we could win the car. Looking around, there's not a ton of people in the room right now. Hopefully there's no online bidders. It's kind of late, and we could possibly pick up another CRS, which would be great. We have one.
What's funny is yours has 0 miles.
0.
This one has 36 or 36 kilometers.
36 kilometers, yeah.
So, I mean, it doesn't really matter. But
Ours has a little bit more stuff done to it, so it would be. This is a really good car. Ours has a little bit more. We went a little bit more in depth in our build. But the thing is, it took us 4.5 years, our build start to finish. So buying this car kind of helps skip the line.
Right. If you want to skip the line, but yours has a chassis refresh,
Ours is a chassis refresh, so
which makes it essentially like a new chassis.
yeah, so chassis refresh, and ours has the new MFD, which was expensive. We redid the front rear kit, some extra things that other cars don't traditionally do. We just thought it'd be nice for the next owner, and if you're there and you're doing it, you might as well do it.
So this one is estimated to go for 750 to 800.
Yes, 7 to 850, I think. It's
7 to 850.
Yeah,
700,000
yeah,
to 850. This is so cool to watch Top Rank. You representing Top Rank, buy a car here at auction at Broad Arrow.
I hope we get it. It would be funny to get it because it would be a great way to get a second car. Somewhere between 550 and 650 is probably the walkaway number.
Okay. Get out of it. I'm so excited about this. It's okay. It's cool because I get to see the auction from the outside. I've done a report on it at Amelia Island. Now I actually have a friend bidding on one of the cars, so I think that's going to be really cool. Oh, buddy. Look at this. Oh my God, what a beautiful car. 36 kilometers of glory.
All right. It said 365 horsepower. That's hilarious. 400,000 is the opening bid.
Where's Brian?
Open?
Whoa, bro.
450.
Look it up, look it up, look it up, look it up.
Yeah, that's it. $550. That's it. No, we're good at 550. 600. No. No.
Damn, you didn't want it that much.
So you're probably looking closer to like 760 by the time you're all done and everything.
760.
Which is just, yeah. So.
Okay.
And what would you have to sell it for in the market to make a profit?
I mean, our car is for sale for 750. So.
Oh, so it went for what it should go for.
Yeah. So for me to buy it and sell it doesn't make any point because
so
there's no more money above it.
So 625, which comes out to about 760.
Yeah. So you're paying. So the way auctions work is you'll pay some fees.
How much did it cost from Nissan? Do you know?
To buy one?
Yeah. And wait the 4 years.
Yeah, so you're, so if you were to buy one and order it, depending on what spec you do, so if you did top spec, kind of like what we did with everything as a base CRS, you're probably looking at somewhere in the $5s by the time you're done with everything. There is another CRS that you can buy where they'll number the chassis for you. It's a really special, it's called the Nismo Restore car. It has a CRS package, so they combine the two package. That costs $1 million US to do that.
Wow.
Basically, yeah. So it's a Restore car plus CRS together. So that's the kind of ultimate thing.
Right.
I only know a couple of those that have been commissioned, but your regular CRS is like this one. You can pick and choose certain things in certain increments. So.